y'all, what's good? It's your girl Nai. If you're new to this channel, welcome. I'm happy to have you. And to my returning subscribers, hey boo, welcome back. So if you read the title, you already know what's about to go down. So your girl is inside of her comfortable clothes that I've been spending all day in, and it's time to take this makeup off. So if you're interested, like this video, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell so you'll be notified when I post a new video. So everything that I need to properly take off my makeup is inside of that case. But first things first, let's take off these lashes, honey. So I'm going to go in with this micellar cleansing water and a Q-tip, and I'm going to rub that against my lash band so I can properly take my lashes off without snatching out my real lashes, because sis, we need to keep those, okay? So I'm taking this makeup eraser and I'm just going to run that underneath some warm water and then wipe my makeup off. I like to use this to take off the first layer of my makeup. So just a heads up, I like to triple cleanse. So my first cleanser is a balm, the second one is a cream, and then the third one is a gel. Call me crazy, but hey, it works. So I'm going in with this Pond's cleansing balm to get rid of that second layer of makeup. Also that stubborn eyeliner and mascara, it helps melt it away. So I'm just going to rub my hands together and massage that into my face for 60 seconds. Now it's time to rinse it off. Once when water make contact with that cleansing oil, your face will be white, which is okay. So I would just rub that in for another 30 seconds and then rinse that off completely. So I'm going in with this deep clean cream cleanser from Neutrogena and also the Dermalogica Daily Microfoliant. I like to use those two together because I get to clean my face and also exfoliate at the same time. With that cream cleanser, like, it just feels so good because it's cooling on the face, and the microfoliant, the beads are so small, but you feel it working into your skin, and it also leaves your skin feeling so smooth. Now I'm just going to massage that into my face for 60 seconds. So I'm going in with my third cleanser, yes, my third cleanser, and also my silicone facial brush, which I purchased off of Amazon. It's super gentle on the skin, and it also has a timer for 60 seconds. So I know that I'm cleaning my face for the proper amount of time. So I'm just going to massage that into my face and then follow up with my brush. And don't forget to get that makeup out of your edges and clean that neck. Posing for a thumbnail, but I'm not using that as a thumbnail because, girl, look at that. I got soap coming out of my nose. So now it's time to rinse that cleanser off and pat my face dry with a clean washcloth. And that is how I take my makeup off. Now I'm going to take a shower and follow up with my nighttime skincare routine. If you guys would like to see my nighttime skincare routine, please let me know in the comments down below, and I'll make that happen. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If so, like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and also click that bell so you'll be notified when I post a new video. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.